Here's proof you can predict high impact news events and make plans. Check this out. You look here at the bottom of the screen, this is going to be the FOMC release. Watch what happens. Here's the FOMC release. I'm going to erase this so you can see clearly. When you zoom in, you can see the True Algo's HINES Indicator doing its job. The process is simple. You treat the middle area as a no-go, and since this is a no-go, we're going to treat anything closing above the FOMC True Algo HINES Indicator as a long, with the stop slightly inside, and then anything below it will be a short with the stop slightly above it. Watch what happens. There is the close below, so now your short entrance is live. And as you can see, the follow through on markets, I have to keep zooming out, and look how price continues to fly. And where you think this might be a small position, that's 300 handles or 1,200 ticks. If you got in from the 30-minute close from these candles, we're telling you these are 30-minute candles. You can see it from above. That still resulted in 264 handles or over 1,000 ticks overall. If this isn't good enough, let me show you the next FOMC. This was September's. This is the November FOMC release. Watch what happens. I'm going to delete this out of the way now. You can see the FOMC volatility is kicked in. I'm going to zoom in a bit to make it easier for you to see. Same rules apply. Just like so, when you close above our HINES FOMC high indicator, this is where you would be looking for reasons to go up. When you close below our FOMC low indicator, this is where you'd be looking to go lower. Your activations of the positions are on the candle closes, and we are on the 30-minute time frame. You wait for the candle to close. You don't act while the candle is moving. Watch what happens. I have to immediately scroll out again, scroll out for a third time, and let me show you the results. Here's the entrance point. 2 in a row, 2 FOMC news events back to back, over 295 handles and almost 1,200 ticks. And all this was produced within 24 hours. This is predictive. This indicator is offered for free. Feel free to come join us if you want assistance in markets. But what if you want to predict the event instead of waiting for the hours to pass by? Here is the HINES True Algo indicator. As you can see here, I'm going to turn on the December 12th. That was today, that news event, and that's going to print here shortly. But you see these boxes? These are our True Algo predictive boxes. You've seen the socials before, and if not and you're new, it's very simple. When price approaches this box, retail traders are going to go long. Big market maker traders are going to hit this box and they're going to short. The only time that the market makers are going to instead buy is when price closes above this box and price will push up. And the same story goes for down here. You can already see a beautiful long position from our indicator was produced. And when price comes down here, most retail traders are going to short. This is exactly where the big market makers are going to look to go long and push price back up. When will the market makers want to push price down? When we simply close back below the box. Watch what happens when you combine our True Algo predictive box indicator and our free HINES high impact news event with CPI that's just about to print. Check it out. Here comes the release. Notice that we are at our box. This is where retail traders are going to start to long the markets. With True Algo, we'll not long this box. This is an area where you look for reasons to short till the candle closes above. Watch what happens on the news event. There's the CPI release. So where most traders long the top of it, they think the bullish news is coming. It was released as expected. Our traders do not long this box. This is an area where we look to short. You can see the CPI prints, and because we've rejected from this box, we are now going to look for price to make its way back down to this box. And as you can see, where retail traders will continue to long and get wrecked from the bullish news, we have a short that's produced from that box. And now, what did I say? What will retail traders do here? And this is what we teach you live. This is where retail traders will finally short. They longed up here. They will short down here. If you were trading in the markets and this was you, we're here to help you. If this candle closes bullish, we will then look to come and target the next box higher. Watch what happens. And just like clockwork, price pushes up. We've now gone from box to box. A beautiful scalp. You can see the bots take profit in real time as it pushes down, offering another short opportunity. That's 1, 2, 3 predictive trades. I'll show you that the indicator is real. There you go. And watch what happens next. And where most retail traders are now going to look to short and fight us, watch what the market makers do as you start to close above our box. And price goes straight back up. If you struggle to handle the volatility, We are here to help you in markets. If this is confusing as it goes by fast, we live stream 5 days a week during the New York volatility to help our members. Come check us out at True Algo.